Have you ever dreamed of visiting the Amalfi Coast? Picture it in your mind's eye. Nestled in the heart of Italy, this stretch of coastline is renowned for its breathtaking beauty. A slice of paradise where azure seas meet sun-drenched beaches and verdant cliffs. The Amalfi Coast is more than just a place. It's a sensory experience. It's the tang of fresh lemons filling the air, the warmth of the sun on your skin, and the sound of waves lapping against the shore. It's the sight of pastel-colored houses clinging to the cliffs, and the taste of perfectly cooked pasta in a local trattoria. Each town along the coast offers a unique experience, from the glamour of Positano to the charm of Amalfi Town and the tranquility of Ravello. Whether you're craving adventure or yearning for relaxation, the Amalfi Coast has something to offer everyone. So, are you ready to embark on this journey? Imagine stepping off the plane, feeling the warm Italian sun on your skin. Welcome to the start of your journey to the Amalfi Coast. This coastal treasure is nestled in the southern part of Italy, and getting here is a journey in itself. For those who prefer to fly, the nearest airports are Naples and Salerno. From either of these cities, the Amalfi Coast is just a scenic drive away. If you're the type who savors the journey as much as the destination, consider arriving by train. The Italian railway system connects to Salerno, where you can then take a short ferry ride or bus to the coast. This route not only offers a unique perspective of Italy's landscape, but also a chance to mingle with locals and fellow travelers. Once you've arrived, you've got several options for getting around. Renting a car is a popular choice, especially for those who crave the freedom to explore at their own pace. With it, you have the liberty to stop and savor every cliffside village or hidden beach that catches your eye. Do bear in mind though, the roads here are narrow and winding, and the driving can be a bit challenging for the uninitiated. For a stress-free alternative, consider using public transportation. The Cita bus service covers most of the coast and can get you to the major towns. It's affordable, reliable, and gives you a chance to experience the Amalfi Coast like a local. And of course, let's not forget the ferries. With daily services linking the main towns along the coast, they offer a unique sea-level perspective on this stunning region. Each mode of travel has its advantages and inconveniences, but whether you're navigating the serpentine roads in your rental car, rubbing shoulders with locals on a bus, or feeling the sea breeze on a ferry, you're in for a memorable journey. No matter how you decide to travel, every road leads to unforgettable experiences. Welcome to Positano, a town that seems to be kissed by the sun. Nestled on the Amalfi Coast, this enchanting place is a colorful mosaic of pastel-hued houses clinging to the hillside, cascading down to the sparkling sea below. Positano is a sight to behold, a symphony of vibrant colors and unforgettable panoramas. Venture through its narrow, winding streets, where the scent of lemon blossoms mingles with the salty sea air. Discover the town's charming boutiques, where local artisans showcase their handmade pottery and vibrant linen clothing. Down at the beach, the world seems to slow. The azure waters of the Mediterranean beckon, while the warmth of the golden sands offer a perfect spot for afternoon relaxation. The views, oh the views! From any vantage point, Positano offers a breathtaking spectacle of the sea meeting the sky in a dance of shimmering blues. Positano is a place that sparks the imagination and warms the heart. Next stop, Amalfi Town, where history and nature intertwine. Here, nestled between the azure sea and the towering cliffs, you'll find a place where the present mingles with the past, producing an enchanting blend of culture, history, and natural beauty. Amalfi Town, once a maritime superpower, still hums with an air of grandeur. The town's storied history is palpable as you wander its narrow, winding streets. Each turn reveals a new facet of its past, from the quaint houses that cling to the cliffs to the bustling piazzas echoing with laughter and lively conversation. The heart of Amalfi Town is undoubtedly the Cathedral of St. Andrew, a stunning piece of architecture that dominates the town's skyline. This remarkable edifice, a blend of Moorish and Byzantine styles, is as much a symbol of the town's history as it is a testament to its enduring faith. Inside, you'll find the crypt of St. Andrew, a sacred place that houses the relics of the Apostle Andrew and serves as a pilgrimage site for many. But the charm of Amalfi town is not confined to its man-made wonders. The town is enveloped by an embrace of natural beauty that is almost surreal. Here, the lush greenery of the Monte Latari Mountains meets the shimmering blue of the Mediterranean Sea, creating a stunning backdrop that is as captivating as the town itself. The fragrant scent of lemons fills the air, a reminder of the town's famous lemon groves, which produce the sweetest and most succulent lemons you'll ever taste. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or simply a traveler in search of an unforgettable experience, Amalfi town has something for you. Here, every corner tells a story, every view takes your breath away, and every moment is a memory waiting to be made. This is a place where time seems to stand still, allowing you to immerse yourself in the beauty and tranquility that is quintessentially Italian. Amalfi town is a testament to Italy's timeless allure. It's a place where the past and the present coexist, where the beauty of nature complements the richness of history, and where every experience is a reminder of Italy's enduring charm. Our journey concludes in the serene town of Ravello. Nestled high above the Azure Sea, Ravello is a peaceful retreat from the bustling Amalfi Coast. This quaint town is renowned for its tranquil beauty and enchanting gardens that seem to float on a balcony between the cobalt sky and sea. Ravello's gardens are a sight to behold. The Villa Ruffolo, with its Moorish towers and intricate mosaics, is a testament to the town's rich history. Its gardens are a symphony of vibrant colors, with an array of flowers creating a lush tapestry that overlooks the shimmering sea. From the villa, you can take in panoramic views that will leave you breathless. The vast expanse of the Tyrrhenian Sea stretches as far as the eye can see, framed by the dramatic cliffs that define the Amalfi Coast. Ravello, a jewel on the Amalfi Coast, is the perfect end to our journey. As our journey comes to an end, let's take a moment to reflect. We've traversed the breathtaking beauty of the Amalfi Coast, a destination that's a feast for the senses. We've navigated the winding roads, absorbing the stunning vistas that unfurl around every bend. We've strolled the enchanting streets of Positano, a picturesque haven that clings to the cliffs with a tenacious charm. We've immersed ourselves in the historical allure of Amalfi town, a place where the past and the present blend in a beautiful symphony. And then, we've ascended to Ravello, the jewel that crowns this majestic coast, a tranquil retreat that offers panoramas that have inspired artists and dreamers for centuries. Each of these destinations has its own unique charm, yet they all share the same captivating allure of the Amalfi Coast. The Amalfi Coast, a dream destination that truly lives up to its reputation. When will you start your journey? If you've enjoyed this journey through the Amalfi Coast, we've only just scratched the surface. There are countless other stunning destinations waiting for you to discover. If this video has sparked your wanderlust or given you some useful tips for your future travels, we would appreciate it if you could give it a like. This helps us share the beauty of the world with more people. For more travel guides and insider tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We have many more breathtaking destinations to explore together. From the hidden gems off the beaten path to the iconic landmarks that define our world, we're excited to take you there. So what are you waiting for? The world is full of wonders, and your next adventure is just a click away. Thank you for traveling with us. Until next time, happy travels!